In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark on a CapCut video in a quick and simple way. This is a great method if you want to protect your content, add your brand name, or make your videos look more professional before posting them on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or anywhere else. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut project and go to the main editing screen. Once your video is loaded, look at the bottom menu and tap on Text. From there, choose Add Text. This is where you'll create your watermark. Now type in your brand name, your channel name, or your username. Keep it short and clean so it doesn't distract from the video. A simple name or logo style text usually works best for a watermark. After you type your text, tap back to return to the editor and look at the options on the right-hand panel. Here you want to enable blend. This helps your watermark sit more naturally on top of the video instead of looking too bold or harsh. Next, adjust the opacity slider. For most watermarks, a range between 30% and 50% works really well. This keeps the text visible enough for branding, but subtle enough that it doesn't get in the way of the content. If it still looks too strong, lower it a little more. If it looks too faint, raise it slightly until it feels right. After that, move the text watermark to a corner of the screen. The top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right corners usually work best because they keep the watermark out of the main action in your video. You can also resize it if needed so it stays neat and readable without taking up too much space. Once the placement looks good, the next step is very important. Go down to your timeline and stretch the text layer so it matches the full duration of your video. This ensures your watermark stays visible from start to finish instead of disappearing halfway through. If your video is longer, make sure the text clip extends all the way across the entire edit. That's really the key to making it feel like a proper watermark. If you want, you can also duplicate the text style for future projects so your branding stays consistent across all your videos. Using the same font, color, and placement can help build a recognizable look for your content. And that's it. You've now added a watermark on a CapCut video using text, blend, and opacity settings. It's fast, easy, and perfect for protecting your content and promoting your brand at the same time. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more CapCut editing tutorials, beginner tips, and quick how-to videos.